Hello Theta Network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Theta Network. What's going on? Absolutely, my friends, this update is very urgent and important for all Theta holders, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, this time the latest price of the Theta Network is 6.08 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Theta Network. Other side, my friends, if we talk about the Bitcoin BTC price of the Theta Network, so 0.000017938 BTC price of the Theta Network. And furthermore, you can see the market cap 24 hours trading volume is also going to increase, my friends. Available supply, total supply of the Theta Network is you can see here now on the screen. But on the other side, my friends, on the other hand, if we talk about the price changes of the Theta Network, so absolutely, my friends, the price changes is going wrong. From the last 1 week, the changes of the Theta is negative. Last 1 week, last 24 hours, last 1 hour changes occurs in the Theta Network is negative. Completely fast down occur in the Theta Network. So what should we do in this critical situation? I think it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends, because the price is very fast down. So in this time you have to hold, my friends. I know that now the price of Theta Network is fast down from the previous last 1 week. So if you decide to sell Theta on this price, so you are completely in the loss. So that's why I really recommend for all of you to please hold and don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Theta? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.